Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to install and download dev C++ in our system. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you are new to the channel then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So first of all you need to open your Chrome on your Windows. Next in the search bar you need to enter install dev C++. So here there is a web page from bloodshed.net. So here I am going to click on this, scroll down the page and you will see the options. So for Windows, all you need to do is to tap on the click. So you see the download is starting. So here from the downloads I can see that dev cpp is going to be installed in my system. So as you can see, the download is about to get completed. So basically all you have to do is to open your web browser and search for download or install dev C++. Then a number of searches will appear. So click on the link either from the SourceForge or from the bloodshed.net. Both of them will direct you to the same download file of dev C. So 20 seconds are left over here. Wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, so as you can see that exe file for dev C has been installed. Click on that. So first of all it will ask us if you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes. All you need to do is to click on yes over here. So now select a language. Here I am selecting English. You can choose on your own. Tap on OK. So all of these are the license agreements and basic terms and conditions. So I am clicking on I agree over here. So as you can see, these are all the components which will be available with your dev C++ file. Simply tap on next. Here you need to set the destination folder. I am letting it to be unchanged. Now click on install button. So as you can see, this is getting installed. Wait for a couple of minutes again. So as you can see over here that dev C++ is going to be installed in our system. as it is extracting important files and components which will be needed for later execution of the software properly. Okay, so our installation has been completed, and all you need to do is to click on finish over here. So the language has been selected as English over here. Next, you need to select the theme for dev C++. Now tap on next, then again click on next, again wait for the time being until it downloads some basic header files. So it is parsing files over here. Now click on OK. So these are basically the tips of the day, and you can simply close the dialog box over here. So this is the basic interface. So this is where you can click on new and then compile and run your first program. So this is basically like all you can do is, for example, include IO stream and all this stuff.